Hey, Chris Logan with another walkthrough Wednesday at Walnut Ridge Family RV. And this afternoon I've got two great units, about 3,000 pounds apiece, can be towed by almost anything, almost I said. But we've got two of them priced at $12,495, just a great price for full featured campers. So this one's about 20 feet long as well. It is a bunkhouse, got a power awning, nice LED lights underneath. Let's take a look inside. Obviously that's a bed, a little bit of storage up here. Seating area here, you could put four. That does come down into a table. We've got two nice bunks here for the kids, or of course anybody else who'd like to sleep there. Nice sized bathroom, as you can see, a nice shower, not a tub, so you could stand in there pretty easily. And then just 12-volt refrigerator, does a great efficient job. No slide, nothing to maintain there. The next one is more of a couple's coach where two people, which that is a couple, could sit in. Same features on the outside, same about 20 foot, right around 3,000 pounds. Let's take a look inside. Nice thing of this small camper is you can walk around each side of the bed so you wouldn't have to crawl over someone. Nice storage there, and on the sides we do have a table that does go down to a bed if you had a guest. And this is a 178 RB, and the RB is rear bath. So if you want to go in here and take a look, plenty of room, nice workspace here, another shower there. I didn't mention on the other one, but it does have it like this, is a tankless water heater, so almost endless hot water. So those are our two easily towable by almost any vehicle you might have. Great price while supplies last. Thank you.